Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking care of yourself as always. Today I'm gonna present you what I received in my Ipsy box. So without further ado, let's get started. When you get it in the mail, it comes in this pink package like that, the things in front, and then when you open it, you're gonna find your pouch. Yeah, I call it a pouch, a case. I don't know. Each month it's a different pouch and with a complete different design, a complete different theme. That's what we got this month. Looks like this. I really like it. It's so classy. Let's open it and see what we got. Right. So first I grab this. It's a mask. It's called Feel Restored Self-Warming Clay Mask. I tested before this part of the video and it's not the best mask that I tried. It feels sticky. It's so difficult to apply on the face because it's so sticky, it's so tacky, you can't move it really. After applying it, 1 or 2 minutes after, I felt that my skin was a bit warm, but not that warm. I don't like it. I'm gonna use it because I received it and I paid for it. Yeah, I didn't like this one that much. I'm sorry, but no. I'm just gonna use it to use it, but it's not one of my favorites. Next we have the Clarks Botanicals Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream. I applied this cream on my face and I really liked it. Applying it, it was so easy to glide on, it was so smooth, so soft. After applying it, my face didn't feel greasy, didn't feel tacky, sticky, and I felt that my skin was hydrated. It's not heavy on my skin like I feel it. I'm gonna continue using it. I really liked it. Look what we got. We got the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24 Hours Foundation. They make a good effort because they sent me this foundation in the shade Y500. You're gonna have more than 5 applications of this one. It's a bit light for my face. I have to agree that they made a good effort. Okay, even though I couldn't use that for all my face, I used it on the part of my face that I usually highlight, so I use that here. It feels so light on the skin. You're not gonna get full coverage on this, even medium coverage. You're gonna get small amount of coverage, light coverage, really light coverage. It's like a BB cream almost type of coverage. It didn't cover my dark circle that much, even my scars over there, but it gives you your skin but better look. Okay, so that's not gonna give you full coverage, just gonna enhance your skin, make it appear so smooth. And then it's I don't have anything on my face right now, so I like it. I will continue using the tube and see if I'm gonna buy the full one. Next we had this wash. So I already used it, that's why it's kind of dirty. Called the Ruby wash. Yeah, just Ruby. I like this wash also. Why? It's easy to apply eyeshadow with it. It's really versatile. You can do anything with it. Apply shadow in the crease, highlight your inner corner, apply shadow on your lower lash. So I like it. It's really fluffy. Next we have the Steve Laurent blush in the shade I'm Blushing. So this is what it looks like. This is the color of it. And the thing I like the most about it is that he has a mirror. I'm not gonna, guys, it's really pigmented. If you receive that, be careful. It's so pigmented that when I was applying it, I put too much, but it blends smoothly. Even though I put so much on, I blended it without trouble. And that's the last thing that I received in my box. I have something else to show you. It's this brush. I got it in this thing. Wasn't in the pouch because every month, if you have the application on your phone, the Ipsy app on your phone, you can go log in and then you can review every single products that you received in your box. Every review that you give, you have points. You have 15 points for every product, and then those points like they add up, and then you can choose to redeem the points by choosing a product from the list that they have. So I saw that in the list, and it looked really cute. Today I used it to apply the blush. After applying my blush with it, I did apply my highlighter with it so also. Yeah, so that's it for the box. And I was really happy with it. Without that, this mask that I didn't like that much, but I'm still gonna use. Beside this one, I liked everything that I got in my box. And yes, I will advise you to subscribe to Ipsy, because it gives you the opportunity, if you don't have the money to buy every single product, like every single food product, you know what I mean, you can get the opportunity to test them. For example, I didn't even know this brand, Steve Lauren, but now I got to try their blush and I really liked it. So you know, it gives you the opportunity to try other brands or other products. I've been subscribed to Ipsy for more than a year now, and I've been happy with it. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and see you in the next video. Bisous bisous.